COPART, everyone. Welcome back to Blue Line Garage. Today we are picking up a 2017 Fiat 124 Spider Classica. It looks real great. It has some suspension damage, real easy to fix. And we're at COPART right now waiting for it to be brought out to us. Any minute. We've been waiting for a while. I guess we're on the last of the line here, but hopefully it comes out soon, and we'll try and capture it for you guys. All right, got the car home. I had to leave it on the trailer because it was missing the suspension on this side here. Missing the tire. It was actually inside the car. I did jack the car up enough so I could open up the door and get the tire out. And some of the parts. So these are some of the parts that I found inside. These are for the shock. Control arms, things like that. For some reason I had two rotors. I don't know why, unless one was an extra, but the car has the rotors on all the other tires. Here's the lower control arm. It looks like it probably got bent right in here. Other than that, everything else looks good condition. I still have to go over it, make sure and double check that it is in good condition. But overall, it actually doesn't look too bad. I did put a battery charger on this. The battery was completely dead. And that's all I've done with it so far since I got it back. It has 20,000 miles on it. Let's see if something will light up on here. All right, look inside. All right, first time we're starting this thing here. And nothing's working. Okay, well, that answers that. Well, I'm gonna start taking a parts list, guys, and I'll get back to you with another video. All right, so I found some additional damage here. Look right in there. The whole control mechanism there broke. You see it? See that piece that's broken? All that's going to have to be replaced. It's going to be swapped out. Not Not a, well, it's a little bit of a big job, but it's not too bad to do. This here is also bent here. This is bent. The lower control arm brackets, they look fine here. I don't see any cracks, any bends. Of course, I'm going to take a closer look at it again when I get some of this liner off. I am going to try and get the tire on temporarily just so I could get it off the trailer. All right. It did look like that it was going to power on not too long ago, but I think I might have just blew a fuse just because the battery wasn't being charged. Other than that, I got some damage here. Some bumper damage. I'll probably have to replace the bumper, the headlight. The headlight alone's like $1,500. Bumper fender, lower control arm, steering controller, strut. The shock is still good and all that stuff. The upper control arm actually looks pretty intact and awesome, but of course I got to go through it just to double check. And then back here I got like a little damage on the back of the bumper here. I'm gonna guess from maybe when it got towed. Maybe there was just an idiot tow truck driver driving. Other than that, the car looks great. The tires are brand new. It still even has the tire sticker on there. This was the tire that was supposed to be in the front. As you can see, the tires, it's still on there. Never been driven on the roadway at all. Good tire. Rim, good condition. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch out for more videos. This is going to just be part one of a series. The windshield's also cracked too, and then I also got a little bent from the hood right here, just because I believe the fender got pushed into it. So this is probably fixable right here. The fender is not. It's all cut up. It's cut up here and cut up somewhere else. So same thing with the front bumper. It needs a good wash. I like to wash my cars before I start working on them myself, but just because I can't get the tire on yet, but once I do get the car off, I'm going to give it a bath, make it nice, fresh and clean. We're going to jack it up and get going, but at least in the meantime, I'm able to order some parts. And that's about it. I'm actually going to switch the rotors. I'm actually going to get cross-drilled rotors for all 4 tires here. Give it a little bit more of a performance look. All right. Hope you guys enjoy it. This is a second rebuild I got from COPART. Stay tuned. Blue Line Garage, this is what we do.